Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn AutoCAD drawings for civil engineering. AutoCAD is a fundamental tool for civil engineers, enabling the creation of detailed and accurate designs for various infrastructure projects. It's crucial for tasks ranging from site plans to complex road layouts. Learning this software will significantly enhance your design capabilities and project efficiency, making you a more valuable asset in the engineering field. To excel, focus on key AutoCAD features. Layers help organize your drawing, allowing you to manage hundreds of elements with ease. Blocks are invaluable for repetitive items like manholes or trees, saving you hours of work. Mastering dimensioning and annotation ensures your designs are clearly understood by everyone. Furthermore, external references are vital for coordinating large projects, linking multiple drawings seamlessly. Practical application is key to mastery. Begin by redrawing existing civil engineering plans, such as a site layout or a simple road profile, to build confidence. Always adhere to industry standards for drawing conventions, ensuring your work is professional and consistent. Seek guidance from experienced AutoCAD users. Their insights can provide invaluable shortcuts and best practices. Remember to save your work often, perhaps every 10 or 15 minutes, to avoid losing progress. Numerous resources are available to support your learning journey. Start with online tutorials and the comprehensive official Autodesk documentation, which offers detailed guides. Consider enrolling in specialized civil engineering AutoCAD courses to gain structured knowledge and practical skills. Engaging with professional forums and communities can provide answers to specific questions and foster networking opportunities. Continuously update your skills by staying informed about new software versions and evolving industry trends.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.